Welcome. Today I am with Apple AirTag and I will show you how you can check serial number of this device. So there we got the two methods how we can check it. The first one with the box. So when you take a look right here on the box, at the back of the box you can find the serial number. If you don't have it, for example, you throw it away, you can open the AirTag. You have to hold it with your hand, just like that, and then turn it on the left side. So when you make it correctly, it will pop up, just like that. When you remove the battery, you will get on the serial number. I'm going to zoom in to show you how it looks. Okay, I think that right now you got the good preview of it, and there we got the same serial number like in the box, as you can see. So we can check it if it is correctly, and in our case, yes, it is. And here you can also find the model number. The model number appears right here. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.